I'm gonna have you do letter E on your own. Okay, when doing this, you would have multiplied 1 to the 7th power, which is really just 9 plus 1 times 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We know that all of that would just be 1. So 9 plus 1 would give me 10. I'm going to have you do this by yourself. You're going to do A. You're going to do B. You're going to do C. You're going to do H. And you're going to do G. And F. So those are ones you're going to do. This is your answer choice box. So use that to help you. All right. When I'm doing this, I'm trying to think of what number that I could multiply twice to get 64. And I know that that would be 8. I'm trying to think of what number I could multiply 3 times to get 64. So x times x times x, whatever that number is, would get me 64. I would have to try these numbers out here, but I'm going to say that x equals 4, because 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. For this one, I got to think of what number I need to multiply. What number would go up there for the 2's that I multiply to get 32, but I'm just going to start working and do it. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. So I'm going to count all the 2's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that would be 5 2's being multiplied. I'm going to highlight my answers. For this one, I'm counting how many 2's I'm multiplying. Well, there's a 2 here and 5 2's considered here. So that would be 2 to the 6th power. So that would be 6. They want to know what I can multiply 2 by to get 2 to the 4th. That one would be I'd have to find what 2 to the 4th is. 4. So 16, and I'd have to think of what I could multiply 2 by to get 16. That would be 8. That one was confusing. Then the last one, I have to know what 4 times 4 times 4 equals. 16 times 4 is 64 equals 8. Then 8 to get 64 would be 2. So my answer would be 2 for this one. I know that's confusing. It's okay. What I want you to do is I want you to do your exit ticket. And I only want you to do letter C and letter A. Just letter C for your exit ticket. Do A and C.